Comrades, we are on a serious mission. A mission to rescue Jamaica. And together, Hanover will be 2 out of 2 anytime they call it. So we say, call it Andrew! Call it Andrew! Call it Andrew! But this morning as I drove into Sandy Bay, I noticed my posters were down. I am flattered because nobody flings stone after green mango. The mango has to be ripe. I want to stay on message. The mango has to be ripe for us to fling a stone to pick that mango. And I want to tell you that the People's National Party is ripe. Comrades of Sandy Bay Division, as I engage the communities in Eastern Hanover, the struggle is the same. Water, water, water. It is important that we elect the next Prime Minister to be Mark Jefferson Golding so we can have our own Minister of Water. I listen to their stories. I am one of you. I buy the water like you buy it. I damage my vehicle on the road as you damage it. To the civil servants in Eastern Hanover, you're struggling to buy houses. You're struggling to drive a car. Thank God for Mark Jefferson Golding. Our civil servants will now enjoy lower interest rates when it comes on to housing. Comrades, comrades of Hanover, comrades, I've been coming through on the road bad. Yes, whether it is from Great River to Negril, it looks bad. But I am bringing a message of hope from Marky G. You will not be left behind because Hanover deserves better roads. And we will see to that. That is the message from Marky G. And then comrades, as I look around and as I talk to persons, I realize that water is a big problem. The Montpelier water system, it can't do no more. We need a brand new water system. So whether it is Cash Hill, Patty Hill, or any other place that you can get water, that is the message that I come with, comrades.
You have been such loyal supporters of our party over the years, and we have to show our gratitude. And we definitely have to stop and say a few words here today. Comrades, you have a member of parliament. I've only seen him. I've been in parliament with him for 5 years. I've seen him many times. I've never heard the man's voice. I don't know how him sound, because I never see him talk in parliament yet. You have a lady here in Miss Perkins, a businesswoman, a capable woman, a well-organized woman, a woman who will stand up for your rights, a woman who will stand up for your best interests, a woman who will lobby and try her very best so that you can get a better life here in East Hanover. I know the water issues are real. She and I visited a community up in the hills not far from here where there was this big tank and the tank empty. And they say, yeah, we have to fix that situation so the people can get them water. And I'm sure there are many other situations like that. Jamaica don't lack water, you know. It's the water's not distributed properly. And we're not investing in the necessary technology so that the pipes and the tanks are working and the pumps in particular are there to drive the water where we need it to go. We have God bless solar energy nowadays, so we can use solar energy to drive the pumps. We don't have to use expensive electricity, and we can deliver water to the people.